Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I've been gone for a hot minute. Long story short, I'm back and I finally have a piece that I think you guys might enjoy. You already saw from the title of what we're doing. It's a coffee table and I'm so excited because we've had a nothing, and my living room is right over there, so I'm kind of looking at it, but we've had nothing to set anything on. If you have like your drink, your morning coffee. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a like. I would truly appreciate that. It helps my channel and me know what you guys like content-wise, and yeah, it's nice to see that you guys enjoy what I do and I'm not doing it for like nothing or like to look like a total kook. So I'm just gonna sit on the floor here. Okay. This is the piece of birch plywood that I don't really care for. There's a lot of imperfections, so I have this guy as the bottom piece that I'm going to distribute a significant amount of wood glue on. And then this piece back here is my top piece. I'm gonna glue this up, but I'll show you guys, so we'll roll on into it.
With a significant amount of fan dangling because I only have 4 clamps right now. This is how she looks.
This is my current setup to try and cut this circle for the table. I have my router jig, 21 inches is the pivot point. This guy's set up on here. And I have like the cord attached to the ceiling just so it's out of my way when I'm walking around in a circle. I'm gonna start pretty high up just to score this and then slowly make more cuts and hopefully get a circle out of it.
And we have a perfect circle. I just used the dowel, drilled a hole big enough, put the dowel in on the underside of the table, so the top will be what the bottom is now. That way you're not gonna see this hole. She's not quite beautiful yet. I'm going to get a router bit that I can work this little last lip.
This is edge banding, which is super cool. It's literally wood that you can use to make any of your plywood projects look professional. So if you don't really like this look here of the layers of the plywood, edge banding is your friend. And this is the same birch the plywood is. So this is birch ply, birch edge banding. You're gonna take your edge banding, set it around the edges, like so. I'll do it this way so you guys can see. Like so, and then you're gonna take an iron and basically iron around it. So there's glue on the back that heats up, makes, like I said, the project go from like a normal typical DIY to a more professional grade looking piece. So let's get to heating this up.